Hello all, so my name's Dan and welcome to Essex UK. So I'm in a different location today. Normally my regular viewers see me in my polytunnel, my garden or at my allotment, but somewhere different. So a lovely crop of tomatoes is underway here. Some different varieties. There's Elsa Craig here, Moneymaker, Alicante and also some Eastern European varieties, and these plants have really set some heavy crops. So they're still green, waiting for some warmer weather to ripen them. So I'll show you what's in here. So these really have been given some love in here, some TLC. And I'll take the camera down here and you can just see how beautiful the crops are here. And you can see the supports. So the supports here are really nice, and got some bamboo canes here, some poles, etc., and some wood as well, a bit of 2x4 there. Really lovingly made and lovingly kept, and certainly has rewarded. Have a look at them, look at that lovely truss of tomatoes there. And here as well, you see the size of those tomatoes there. So looking at these, been told that these ones here are Alicante. Look at them, really lovely. And look at that, look at all them, sheer volume of crop here. So they're being grown under cover, and one of the advantages of that is the rainfall, of which we've had a lot of. Many people have been getting blight on their tomatoes this year. The rain doesn't hit the leaves here, so when they're watered straight into the ground underneath without touching the stem or the leaves, and they're watered every day, and you can see it's been a real benefit. So regarding pollination, etc., the owner tells me that they come out here, and if they see flowers such as these, they will shake the stems, the truss, whatever, to help that pollen move around the flower. Tomatoes are self-fertile, but they still do need a bit of help. In many cases, if pollinating insects, etc., aren't getting in, just move the pollen around that flower to help some fruit set. That's quite a few over there. So the owner also tells me that they remove leaves so that the sun can get to the fruit, which of course is a very sensible thing to do. For example, here, if there's loads of leaves over it, much harder for the sunlight to get to the fruit. So these Eastern European ones here, you could see, got little ridges and lines on them. Now, generally in Eastern Europe, they have a longer growing season than here. At least that's what I've been told anyway. So the varieties there are later ripening. So ripening can be an issue here in the UK. But ripe tomatoes have come out of here, and hopefully we'll get a nice long summer, and we'll ripen these lovely. So all looking nice. Be lovely when these all start to ripen. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Sometimes it's nice to make videos from different locations so we can all have a look about at what else is going on. But how are your tomatoes doing? Let me know in the comment section below. What varieties are you growing? Are they struggling to ripen in time? Do you think they won't ripen? And what are you going to do with them if they don't ripen? So I'd love to hear from you. So comment down below with your answers on that one. So if you like my work, please feel free to like and share. And if you'd like to be notified of any further videos I put up, please feel free to subscribe. And I shall see you in the next video.